Doctors say one way to reduce the spread of the new coronavirus is to wear face masks, and more municipalities are making it mandatory. But not all places are enforcing the rule the same way. And as Caryn Lieberman reports, not everyone wants to cover up either.
As provinces and territories ease COVID-19 restrictions, more people are venturing out to restaurants, cafes, and shopping malls. And a growing number of cities are mandating they wear masks in public.
And if you look at cities across the world that have put in a policy like this, it's made a dramatic difference.
Brampton is one of the latest cities in Ontario to implement a mandatory mask bylaw. But there is no province-wide rule, leaving the decision to individual regions.
Look what's happening in the States with everybody not wearing a mask, like in Florida and Texas and that. And look at their numbers versus our numbers.
In Montreal, a mask bylaw comes into effect at the end of the month. The town of Mercier, Quebec is not waiting after a COVID-19 outbreak linked to house parties.
I want to make sure nobody's going to get it from me because I can have it and I don't know I have it, right?
The question in cities that are making masks mandatory is how it'll be enforced. Under the order, businesses can refuse entry to anyone not wearing a face covering. That puts the onus on the owner, and the client could face a fine, or in most cases, just a simple warning.
Well, everyone's wearing their masks, and even though no one's out ticketing, it's top of mind for everyone.
We're not police, we're not bylaw, we're just trying to work with what they outlined for us.
Not everyone is reacting kindly to the suggestion.
I'm not allowed to video, but you're making me wear a mask, otherwise you're going to deny me service if I don't wear a mask.
This Toronto woman who refused to wear a mask in a hospital faced backlash after posting online about it. While the current science suggests masks help contain the spread of the virus, experts so far are not pushing for a national mandate.
Given that we have only about 200 to 400 new cases of COVID-19 per day, I think it would be very challenging to have a nationwide mandate.
This infectious diseases specialist points to Alberta, which has found ways to nudge people toward mask wearing.
They're giving them out at drive-through restaurants, they're giving them out at places that are higher risk. So, for example, congregate settings like long-term care settings, and homeless shelters. So you give everyone the opportunity for success.
Caryn Lieberman, Global News, Toronto.